In today's video, I'm going to show you Tao Clean Toothbrush review, Smart UV Sanitizing, or just hype. The Tao Clean Sonic Toothbrush combines a high-speed sonic brushing head with a built-in UVC sanitizing dock that automatically zaps your brush head after each use, promising to kill up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria and help prevent the funky toothbrush problem many people worry about. Real-world tests and user impressions suggest the UV system isn't just marketing fluff. It uses the same UVC wavelength hospitals employ to sterilize equipment and can genuinely reduce microbial buildup on the bristles as you dock it to charge, which many owners find reassuring and hygienic. The sonic vibrations at around 40,000 strokes per minute also deliver a deep clean that some users describe as giving a dentist clean feeling compared with basic electric brushes. However, there are important trade-offs and critiques. While many owners report improved oral hygiene and a fresh feeling clean, others mention recurring moisture and mildew buildup around the dock, which can ironically make sanitation harder without regular maintenance. Customer service experiences are mixed. Some buyers praise helpful support, while others complain about defects, poor warranty handling, or difficult returns. The toothbrush's larger base station takes up significant counter space, and you must use the proprietary dock to charge, so losing or breaking it could render the brush inconvenient to power. Overall, the Smart UV Sanitizing isn't pure hype. It adds genuine hygiene benefits, but whether it's worth the premium depends on how much you value that peace of mind and are willing to manage the added maintenance and potential service issues. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.